welcome to Miss Annette's little farm in the big city. Well, there's some new noises to get used to here on the little farm, which is fine. The neighbors all seem to think that that's okay. He has been pretty quiet in the morning until I open up the barn. So we'll see. I mean, it can work out or it can't work out. It can go either way. And we're prepared for it to go either way. It's such a beautiful day today. I am going to start working on another project here in a minute, but Mr. Steve started a fire and I thought I'd sit back here by the fire for a second before I get started on my work day. I wanted to mention a couple of things. As some of you may know, that any revenue that we make on this channel, we share a portion of it with animal sanctuaries and rescues and other charities. Well, I wanted to let you guys know that we finally made some money last month, and we spent some of that money on helping a couple of cats get vaccinated and chipped and prepared to go to a new home or a foster home. So we did that last month with our little bit of money that we made here on the little farm. And as we continue making money, I will let you know what we do with it, okay? Because you're part of the community. You watching my videos helps me help the community. Does that make any sense? Anyway, so you're part of it. And I want to let you know when we actually get to do stuff like that. So a few months ago, our fish pond got a leak in it. And I didn't realize that. I did notice that it was getting low quite often, but we were going through some heat waves and I thought it was just the water evaporating, because that happens sometimes when it gets really hot out. And then I realized that we had a slow leak on our fish pond. We had a slow leak on our fish pond. Well, I decided that I wanted to replace it. And I figured we would wait till spring, so it has not ran all winter long. The fish had perished already. We only had one fish left, I think. And let me move out of the way. Well, that happened. So, you know, we took the water fountain out and all of that. It was just a pump that we got it was just a cheap pump that we got at the store. It wasn't an expensive pump. Well, then, a few months ago, I got contacted by someone who wanted to give us a pump if we shared their information on my platform. And I said, well, sure, I'd be happy to do that. That's something that we need. And so they sent me the pump, and I will put their information in the description below. Now, they're also having a Earth Day celebration that they wanted you all to know about, so I will put a link to that as well. The first thing that we need to do is get the cattails out of the pond, and I think we're gonna have to dig everything out, and there's some cinder blocks in there, so we're gonna be pulling some stuff out of there. And then I want to use that container. I mean, even though you can't use it for a pond anymore because it's got a rusted hole in it, I want to use it as a planter. So we'll be moving that to another site on the farm and using it as a planter. And I think I'm going to try to grow some sweet potatoes in it. So that's exciting. I'm always trying to reuse, renew, recycle. So we're going to be doing that. So let's go ahead and get the plants out of the pond and put them aside and decide what we want to do. And then this is what the bottom looks like. There's some bricks and there's another cinder block right there. Yep.
We try tipping it, see if it's possible.
Yeah.
Could be quite heavy.
Well, that looks like it's really heavy. And then
All the water.
Right, and then I know there's a brick right here too.
Yes. No. Cinder block?
No, it's one of those big long round that they intertwine together. It's round on one end and it's a U shape on the other.
Yeah.
Okay, good. There we go.
Ooh, duckies like that.
Yeah.
I bet that's 3 or 4 times the size of that one we had.
This is what we found in there. Lots of stuff. All right, let's move some things around. Let's get these boxes. I don't want to use these anymore. I have those little metal planters. I'm going to use those in this space and then put that big pond in the space where the planters were and use that as a planter. All right, I looked over the instructions and this Papo Soap Waterfall Box Kit User Manual. It comes with a customer service center number, email, Facebook, YouTube, and a website. So if you have any problems, they give you a lot of resources, 24 hours a day, and a 1-year warranty. So that's pretty cool. Now, I see that they also had a solar panel option. So that's cool too. Okay, but we did the electric one, and it looks pretty simple. Just a few steps to put it together. And I need to get the glue and glue some of the pieces together. But looks good. Looks good. And if I didn't want to do the waterfall, I also have these other little attachments, so I could just hook it up to the pump and just have the pump by itself. But we're going to try the waterfall because they sent it to us. And listen, you know how it is around here on the little farm. If we don't like it, we'll just try something else. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue that and then put this together. And it just slides in here like this. Ah. And there we go, got that part done. So plenty of glue in case we need. All right, so we are going to cut here. Okay, so All right, it's the next day, and we got everything cleaned up. The fountain is going, but we want to do some finishing touches to it to make it just a little bit more special. I don't know why I only have one glove on. Well, I think it turned out very nice, don't you? Calming and relaxing. At first I wasn't sure I was going to like this smaller tub for this, but I do. I like it. And I think it's going to be easier to keep clean because it's smaller. I think it looks really nice. I like it a lot. It's nice, relaxing, perfect place for a little cup of tea or sitting here with my friends having coffee or a glass of wine. Very nice. It really adds to this whole little area here. Thank you, Papa Soap, for sending me this fountain kit. I really like it. And I will definitely put all of the links in my description so that you guys can go check it out yourselves. It was really easy to put together. So there. That's another day here on the little farm. I'm so glad I got to share it with you. Thank you for stopping by and visiting me here on Miss Annette's little farm in the big city. Try to get outside today if you can. Take care of yourself and take care of each other. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Love you.